Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy, and actually, this is future Christy coming to you. We had some kind of problem with our recording when we recorded our grocery haul video, where it actually did not record the sound until it was almost one whole minute into the video. Not sure what happened there, but this is our grocery haul video, and you'll see a few things that we bought. We bought all these groceries from Walmart because we had a really very small grocery list. It was only a filler haul. We got some eggs for various recipes and stuff. And Joel got some creamer. And here we come back in with our sound again.
Got some almond milk. I don't know why I turned that all the way around because it says
Same thing on the other side.
Okay. We got some Pringles.
There we go. That's for our son.
And we got some Pop-Tart, fake Pop-Tarts.
Also for him. And that's the whole haul.
That's it.
The total was
$24.43.
all right, let's jump right into the meal plan. It's going to be a short and sweet video.
Yeah, it is.
Except we didn't have the meal plan pulled up.
No, we did not.
All right, so as we talked about last week, we had some events coming up, so we will probably not be eating at home tonight, which would be Sunday.
Yep.
So we've got down, and I think we may be at Disney Springs for an event. But anyway, that's neither here nor there.
Yeah.
The point is we won't be at home. So then Joel is probably going to be working tomorrow night, and so I've just got down whatever.
Yep.
I may eat a salad or, just grab something, whatever. I'm not cooking is what I'm saying.
Yep. And then we're going to do a spatchcock chicken.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to take that leftover spatchcock chicken, and we're going to make a chicken parmesan bake, and that's a try something new recipe for us. So we've never made that before, so hoping it turns out good.
Yeah. And then after that, we hopefully have some leftovers from that.
Yeah, according to the recipe, there's 8 servings, so hopefully that means leftovers.
Yeah.
And then we would have Mexican beef and rice skillet.
Yep. And then Saturday night is pizza night.
Homemade pizza, that's right. The next night, I got down cheeseburger sliders. We had a few other recipes that we mentioned last week that we actually are pushing back because we didn't actually get to them.
Yep.
They were the chicken quesadillas, some leftover chili that we had in the freezer, and a recipe that we haven't done in quite a while called chicken paprika. It's a slow cooker recipe. So those will all be pushed into the next week. But this was just a fill-in haul, so, we'll just figure out where to put them next week when we get to next week.
Yep.
So that is the whole thing. If you saw a recipe alert button, that means that we have made that before on the channel, and you can find that recipe down in our recipe playlist. If you did not see that button, that means that we've never shown it on the channel. And if you would like to see how we make that, or, if it's to try something new, we've never made it. But if you'd like to see that, be sure to comment down in the comment section and let us know that you're interested in that recipe. And if it gets the most votes, it'll be the recipe of the week coming soon.
All right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. You just kind of never know when we're going to drop one in there. So have that notifications bell up so you know when we drop a new video.
That's right.
All right, with that said, I think that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.